How to make your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, HO Ultra sound louder. So there are a number of things that you can try to make it sound louder. The first thing is try to enable amplify volume. So to do that, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then scroll down and tap on sound quality and effects. Here at the top, tap on Dolby Atmos. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose auto or movie for louder and richer sound. So give that a try and see how you go. Another thing is you can increase your individual volume sound. So press on the side button here to open up the volume bar. Then tap on the more button. Ensure all the volumes has been increased, especially if you're watching videos. You want to increase your media up to the max. Here we've got ringtone volume. So ensure all of the bar here has been increased all the way to the max. This will give you a full volume. So in here, make sure everything is all increased to the max. Okay, the next thing that you could try is to use hearing enhancement tools. So we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next we go down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. And then tap on amplify ambient sound. Here, tap on the shortcut to turn it on. So in here, we're going to select a shortcut. There are 3 different shortcuts that you can activate. Okay, so I have added to my accessibility buttons. So tap on that and then tap on amplify ambient sound to turn it on. Here's a connect headphones to use amplify ambient sound. So it's off at the moment. So if we use a headphone, we can turn it on. So ambient sound is being amplified. So give that a try and see how you go. Now, if you are using one speaker, you can try mono audio. So here you can also turn on mono audio and give that a try and see how you go with that. Another option is the adapt sound. So in here, adapt sound, turn on loud, and in here you can choose the adapt sound based on the age group. I find that between 30 and 60 years old give you the highest or the loudest sound. So tap on the settings icon, and here you can choose your sound preference, clear or soft, prefer ear vocals. You can also customize your sound by personalized sound profile. So you can add in that, and then you can customize your own sound settings. So give that a try as well. Next, if you are using your phone to listen to music, you can use Samsung Music Apps Equalizer. So in settings, so we go back to the main settings page and we go down to sound quality. So we look for sound quality. So just going to go down the menu here and find sound. So we try to find sound quality in here. So we've got sound quality and effects. So tap on that. Then tap on equalizer. Okay, so in here you want to choose, say, triple boost or bass boost, or you can set custom and increase your boost level. So by increasing this equalizer, that will increase the sound profile on your device. So you might want to choose custom, clear. So try a different sound profile. If it doesn't suit, you can create your own custom sound profile. Okay, so give that a try and see if that helps. So adapt sound is another thing that you can try. Now sometimes the speaker grill, I'm just going to unplug this one for now. So at the bottom here, there are a speaker grill. Sometimes it get blocked or covered with dust and debris. So make sure you keep this area nice and clean and unblock. So around your phone here, make sure everything is all nice and clean, no blockage. And if you use a brush, just simply brush it off, just nice and gentle, and brush off all the dust, like so. Don't push it all the way too hard to puncture a hole. Just gentle and give it a brush, and hopefully that will clear up the speakers and give you a louder sound. Now, another thing that you can do is to use an app. So if you go into Play Store and install Sound Amplifier, so search for that. And in here, make sure you have installed it already. Then tap on Open, and then choose a phone mic or phone media. And in here, you can turn on Boost and boost quiet sounds. You can increase it. So you can play around with this app. This app is from Google. So Sound Amplifier, you can go into settings and then add it to your app list. Once it is in the app list, you can always access it by tapping on Sound Amplifier. And here, make sure you turn on the boost to boost the sound. You can also adjust ears separately, so left or right channel, and you can boost high or low frequency. Now this works with headphones only, so if you unplug it, it will not allow you to use it. So it will work with headphones only or with your earbuds. And that's it. So those are the different things that you can try. If you want even much louder sound, I suggest you to use external Bluetooth device or a USB-C speakers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.